Getting hippie vibes right here, respectfully. You know, it feels like something you would casually find at any type of festival around here in Chicago. What's good, everyone? You just washed up on the game show, and today we have our 6th episode of unboxing or hype unboxing, and this is a very interesting box because it is a special box. Shout out Concepts, and these are actually the Air Max Concepts Far Outs. I know a lot of people have been wanting to get these, and you know, just saying the multiple drops from Concepts. So I'm glad that I could cop on the website. Shout out Concepts against the bots, and yeah. Once we get into it, y'all can see the different type of colors and designs and architecture. Well, not architecture, but ways that it's designed throughout the box. Shout out Concepts right here. Team Concepts. Oh, again, this is a very heavy box. I feel like it's definitely like worth 2 sizes, or the equivalent of 2 boxes. But you know, it's definitely worth it. So, as y'all can see, we have the type of vibes here, getting hippie vibes right here, respectfully. You know, it feels like something you would casually find at any type of festival around here in Chicago. But let's get straight into the shoes. So, once we open the special box and find this, actually I'll move this over here so that y'all can see the box too. We had a Concepts around here, this symbol, which I do not know which that is, but I will do my research. Don't worry, I always do the research. Here is the tag and just Concepts all around. So once we open the box, we have specifically special type of wrapper which has different colors and Concepts logos and things like that, which I like personally, but obviously, as y'all know, don't like the box just wearing the heat. So once we get into it, we see the special edition package that comes with it, which is the bandana. I'll close it just so that y'all can see, which is a piece of bandana and some other pieces, if I'm corrected, that is, here we go, I believe stickers and other things, which is probably fire. So we have, I don't even know what this is, first time opening this. Some disc, interestingly enough, some disc. I don't know what type of music and things it has, but you know, it says Love for Confusion 1969. Then we believe this is a rain poncho. Oh, okay. So this is like full-on concert type of Concepts hang tag. I don't know if it's smelly or not. Then we have the stickers looking heat. Then we have the computer sticker as usual, right. And yeah, other than that, that's about it. But I really love this. Like, this is something that not a lot of shoes come with, at least not the ones that are hyped up or like regarded as new, fire, etc., etc. But it's definitely an added bonus. But yeah, and once we get into the shoes, it's definitely a different vibe, right? So we have a guitar pick of sorts. Then we have a type of denim mid section, and then we have a Nike logo that transforms into a bandana, but it has like flowers growing out of it. And I feel like all these color combinations are not like random, but they're different to the point where it makes the shoe look cohesive, if that makes sense. Like the different pieces of bandana, from the purple one to the green one, to the added like brown little wood looking thing right here and the outsole of Concepts. It definitely and the pink is what puts it together, I think, in my opinion. And it definitely adds that, you know, bonus of like what is that word, of pristine materials, if you will. But and then we have the cowhide. If y'all remember those candies at the grocery store that were like called cow somethings, and it always had like the brown and the white stuff in the middle, those used to hit, bro, if you know what I'm talking about. But I digress. Then we had like a splattered dirt midsole transition, obviously, and into the air bubble. Then we have a type of earth tone, you know, Yeezy slide, sand type of outsole, which, you know, I find fire. Because I really don't like poppy outsoles. Obviously, a lot of people aren't gonna see them, but once you like look at them, I feel like I appreciate something that's very, you know, minimalistic, at least for the bottom, where the shoe on top is a very like spoken piece, if that makes sense. But as we see on the other Nike logo, we have green, blue, and like grass green or something. Really don't know the difference of colors. Obviously, I'm not an artistic person. That's why I let the shoes do it for me. But once we get inside, y'all could see the different type of designs and things that could be found in the shoe. And yeah, that's the left shoe. And for the right shoe, we do have 2 sets of extra laces, which are the white ones and just the like strawberry jam pink ones. But yeah, equivalent to the red shoe or the right shoe or left shoe. It does have this logo again. Again, I do not know what this means, but I will do my research. Don't worry. It happens. Everyone learns. And then we have the Nike Air fraying logo in the back, which is obviously a must. And yeah, then we have the interior that has the logo right there and some words right there. But yeah, I feel like these, if I remember correctly, these are going for like, oh, these actually have a very interesting volatile market. Shout out StockX for that word. But I feel like these are definitely ones that could go up in value depending on how people like them. But I know as of right now, they're going for around 280 to 320, which is, you know, amazing piece. I would prefer, if it's like in relation to special box and wearability, I'll prefer the Monarchs. There you go, the Monarchs, which were the last episode, over these, just for the simple fact of the suede, the materials, as well as the wearability that could have to rock with. But in terms of just raw, like getting the most amount of bang for your buck, I think like these do justice more than the Monarchs. But yeah, other than that, hopefully you enjoyed. And don't forget, these are very heavy, so be ready for that once you go do a sneaker trade meet or whatever. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, peace.